Folks, another warm day across the valley. We had very isolated showers around midday. They just didn't have enough moisture to work with, and they popped up and they were gone. And that's the kind of stuff we expect the next couple of days as well. Still hot, 91 in Port Isabel, 90 Brownsville, 98 McAllen right now, 99 at this hour in Rio Grande City. Much of the upper valley went over 100 this afternoon, but now here's your radar, and there's nothing left. Even though we had stuff a few hours ago, there's nothing out there. Southeast wind continues. High resolution future track says isolated showers are possible tomorrow, but you don't see a lot of green on there. A couple of dots of it, that's about it. Again, the lower levels where we live, down at the bottom of the atmosphere, full of moisture, but you get above about 7,000 feet and there's nothing up there. And a good thunderstorm can be 40 or 50,000 feet tall and there's no moisture up there, so nothing to deal with. You look at Thursday, again, isolated showers are possible, but still it's a mainly dry day across the valley. We're going 20, 20, and 10 for your rain chances for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And into the weekend, I think we're looking at 10% or less. High temperatures, the normal is coming down slowly but surely. That's your 30-year average for the next few days at 91. We're going to be above that, 97, 94, 94. Records won't be in jeopardy, but we will be above average. Here's Maria, still a very impressive hurricane, category 5 on the scale. The eye of the storm right there. Let's move along with it. You can see it fills in for a while and opens up again. You can almost see the white caps underneath it if it was a real picture. But there's St. Croix. Here's the British Virgin Islands, the other U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico right there. The storm will continue that west-northwesterly trek. The core of hurricane force winds relatively tight around it, but regardless of where it ends up now, those winds will go right across those islands. 165 miles per hour, the strongest winds in that eye wall right now, 16.8, 64.0. It's moving to the west-northwest at about 10 miles per hour. That forecast path takes it off to the northwest by 2 o'clock in the morning. It's sitting to the southwest of St. Croix, then overnight and into the daytime hours tomorrow, right across the heart of Puerto Rico. San Juan's on the northeast coast, so maybe it stays a little south, it would help a little bit, but not a lot. And then it crosses the old track of Irma. That's the Irma's track. But by the time you get to Friday, it's starting to turn northward and then should turn away from the U.S. and stay in the Atlantic Ocean as at least a Category 3 storm for a while. Pretty impressive system out in the Atlantic. But again, staying out of the Gulf of Mexico, it appears to be no threat to us, certainly, and probably no threat to the U.S. Mainland at all. So tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, 78 for your low. Winds tonight out of the southeast, not much more than about 7 to 14 miles an hour. Any showers that are out there fading away. Then tomorrow back up to 97, partly sunny skies. Like today, an isolated shower, but it's one of those deals where if you get rained on, it's more like a sprinkle and it's gone. Southeasterly winds all day tomorrow at about 7 to 14. So we're 97 tomorrow, a couple days at 94. Those isolated showers may go away, and by the time you get to the weekend, you're looking at 2 or 3% of the area seeing something, so we've pretty much taken it out of the forecast. Next week, mostly sunny, no big changes, 90s for highs and 70s for lows. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.